Hi guys, welcome to this week's video, which is part 2 in my favourite pole work exercises. For our first exercise, we're going to go back to good old canter poles in a straight line. So again, you can use this for any horse, whether they're jumpers or dressage horses or babies or older horses. It's really good just to get them into a rhythm. And if you are warming up for jumping, then I would do this in a light seat as well. For our next exercise, this is what I call the double play exercise, and it works on straightness, so and you can keep coming from lots of different ways. Just get the horse working nicely in trot, and the V-poles just give them something else to think about. The idea is just to keep coming around using curves and straight lines to get the horse swinging over their back. So for our next exercise, this is the snake, and the idea is that the horse changes its bend midway through the poles, a little bit like when they're in a shallow loop. And this is done at trot, and the idea is that the horse keeps and maintains a good rhythm and swing over its back and stays in balance. You have to watch, especially on a younger horse, that it doesn't tip a little bit on its forehand. So for our next exercise, we have a straight pole and then 2 diagonal poles and then another straight pole and then 2 diagonal poles. So you come at this on a straight line, so we're working on straightness. Each distance, so if you're in the middle, we'll walk a correct trotting pole distance. And we want the horse to keep a nice rhythm and just start to use and swing over its back. For our final exercise, we put a box over X and we come down over a line of trotting poles down the centre line. So it's great for working on balance around our turns on and off the centre line and keeping the horse straight and working over their back throughout, working on straightness down the centre line. You can then change the rein through the box in the centre so that you can keep coming from the centre line from all different directions. So I hope you enjoyed our part 2 pole work exercises. There are plenty more, and as I said on our first video, the thing I love about poles is that you can change them and adapt them to any sort of horse. So, you know, use your imagination and get your teeth stuck in and enjoy some pole work with your horse. So thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and find me on social media at GG Eventing. Thanks for watching. See you soon.